talk to us about what data governance is all about and the importance of data governance for the machine learning process.
Yeah, data governance at its base is ensuring the quality, the integrity, and security of you and the ability to use the data collected by the organization. So are the end users be able to use it? And is the data that we are using to build machine learning models or even a dashboard, is that quality? And can that generate the insights that the business needs to generate, to move the bottom line or to generate value? It's pretty broad. That can include everything from how to handle private information, what information to delete, to as far as documenting data models or machine learning model explainability. The main importance to it is for just the foundation. It's the data quality, knowing what the high quality data is. Errors in one data set can affect your machine learning model, can totally mess it up. So it helps being able to trace it, or if you need to debug it or look further stuff in the pipeline. Data lineage, making sure that what the transformations were, what was the path that the data took to there. And also legal and ethics. Just to be able to make sure that, hey, is the data that we are using, can it be used for prediction, or can it be used for predictive analytics, among other things? And lastly, reproducibility. It allows you to reproduce the models, and it gives you a context of the data environment in which the model sits.